If your hair is very dense, then this is how you want to do your conditioning routine on your wash day. So my hair has already been washed and I've divided my hair into 6 sections. And that is how it is looking so far. Now, this is a conditioner that I will be using today, the almond butter from the Design Essential product line. And this is the amount of conditioner that I'll be applying to the first section. So I am going to be taking it section by section and applying the conditioner with my fingers. And I'll be massaging the conditioner into each sections. Once I've done that, then I am going to retwist the sections. So I'm not going to detangle my hair now. I am going to actually be applying the conditioner to each sections step by step, and then afterward I will go in and do the detangling process. What was my conditioning routine before doing this? So before, I was doing my conditioning on my hair as a whole. So I wasn't dividing my hair into sections. I would just put the conditioner in my entire hair and then just go through it and detangle it. But that was when my hair was much shorter. Now that my hair is getting longer and is even getting more dense, it has become more harder to do my conditioner on my hair as a whole. Hence the reason I have developed this routine to make it a lot easier for me. So this is a routine that you can try for yourself to see if it would work for you. When I'm doing my conditioning routine, I try not to put the conditioner onto my scalp area. I try to focus on the hair shaft itself. Why do I do that? I do not want the conditioner to coat my scalp. I find that whenever the conditioner goes onto my scalp area and it leaves a coating on my scalp, then my scalp becomes very dry and flaky, and not to mention the itching. So to avoid that, I've stopped allowing the conditioner to touch on my scalp. Of course, when I'm rinsing out my hair, it will eventually touch my scalp. So what I do, I don't put the conditioner close to the scalp area. I try to put it a little distance from it. So that's something that you might want to try in your conditioning routine on your wash day if you're having the same situation of flaky scalp, itchy scalp, and all of that. You could try this routine and see if it would work for you. Thus far, it has been working for me, and it's the reason why I am sharing it with you. You can see in this method how easily the detangling brush is going through my hair, and you can see that I am well pleased. I am happy with this result. Before, it would not be this simple, and it's the reason why you have to change to make your wash day a lot simpler so that you can enjoy your wash day. Because if you're not enjoying your wash day, you might want to do something to your hair that is going to make your hair a lot softer and more manageable. And we know what that is. So, to avoid that, try to make your wash day as simple as possible and as easy as possible so that you won't want to give up in this natural hair journey. So that's what I've been doing. I've been changing my routine as I go along to make sure that I am not thinking about going back to you know what. So as you would have been seeing in the video, I've been adding water as I go along. So before I do my detangling, I had water to my hair. And for this particular section that you're seeing now, I think I had a parted it too big. So I had to separate it in 2 sections to make it a little easier. So perhaps on my next wash day, instead of having 6 sections, then I'll have 2 more sections. So this section will be divided in two. So I'll have 8 sections instead of 6. So you can see that you can tweak your routine as you go along to make things a lot easier for you. And once I've done that, you can see that it is way more manageable for me, and the detangling process is a lot easier. So when you're detangling your hair, you want to make sure that you're keeping your hair wet. And it's the reason why I had my water bottle or my spray bottle to keep my hair very wet, hydrated, and so that I could detangle my hair more effectively and make it a lot easier, because I don't want the conditioner to be drying in my hair, so I keep it wet. So you can consider getting yourself one of these spray bottles, because it is a lot easier to use, because all you have to do is spray, 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 and it will go, go, go all by itself. After detangling each session, I retwist, and the reason why I retwist is to prevent my hair from drying out. So to keep my hair nice hydrated, because once I've done all the sections, then I don't want my hair to be drying out. So that's why I retwist each section. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more natural hair care education, and not just natural hair care, but health care overall. How to take care of your body to promote healthy hair. That is what this channel is all about. So if that's something that you are interested in, then of course go ahead and subscribe. At the making of this video, we are 120 strong. So if you want to be among the first 1,000 subscriber, go ahead and subscribe for more hair care tips. How long did this conditioning routine take me to complete? It took me 20 minutes. Are you listening to me? 20 minutes. So let me know in the comment section, how long does it normally takes you to detangle your hair? Let me know, especially if you have the same length hair like me. Let me know how long it takes you to do your conditioning routine on your wash day. Leave that in the comment section. If you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give the video a like. Let me know in the comment section if you will try this conditioning routine, and I would love to know how it worked out for you. So if you are struggling with your conditioning routine on your wash day, then trust and believe that this conditioning routine is for you. Like, listen, are you hearing me? It is for you. If you want to support my channel, feel free to leave a comment so that we can chat up in the comment section, because that's a form of engagement. Did you know? So I know you watch the video and you don't comment, but please comment. If it's even one word, type that one word. Let's engage in the comment section. This is the amount of hair that came out after detangling my hair, and that's a good sign to show that my hair is not breaking and I'm not having excessive shedding. So when you do your wash day and you do your conditioning routine on your wash day, you want to take note of how much hair is coming out when you're doing your detangling. So if you have the same amount of hair like me, then that should be the amount that is coming out. Unless, of course, you are having excessive shedding or you are not detangling your hair properly and so it is breaking. So this is how my hair is looking after I've taken out the sections, and you can see how the curls are popping, and it is looking so gorgeous and beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is just me playing around with my hair to see if I were to do a wash day and do a style like this, how it would look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's do a center part and see how it looks. And of course, I could wear my hair like this in a wash and go style. So tell you what, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing on this particular wash day. I am going to do a nice wash and go, and look at those curls popping. So I'm going to be doing a wash and go on this very day. And this is how my hair is looking after rinsing out the conditioner from my hair. So if you are interested to see how I did my wash and go, that video will be posted next. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe so you will be notified when that video is out. And if you have enjoyed the video, of course, don't forget to like the video and engage with the video by leaving a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.